let's consider this question. WASSCE Object 2024 question 5 on circuit theory. In the diagram, xy is tangent to the circle PQR at P. So it touches the circle here. QR is equal to PR. QR is equal to PR, okay? PR is parallel to XZ. PR, this line is parallel to this line, alright? The angle here is 50. XZ, and this line bisects angle RSY. So it means that the angle here and the angle here are the same. And bisects means that divide into two equal halves. So this angle and this angle are the same. Find A, angle RPS. So let's start it one by one. A, angle what? RPS. This angle here. Okay, RPS. Okay, and we should know that XY is a tangent. This line is a tangent to the circle at this point. So there is a property that states that the angle between a tangent, and know that PR is a chord. The angle between a tangent here and a chord, okay, is the same as the angle this chord subtend at the circumference, which is what Q. So the angle here and here will be the same thing. Alright, so what we have to do is to find the angle here, and then when we get the angle here, it is the same as this angle. The same way, you can see that the angle also here is the same as the angle here. Okay, it's also the same as the angle this chord subtend at the circumference, which is also here, which can be what, 50. So we can say that the angle here, because this is a tangent, this angle is the same as 50. Or this chord subtend an angle here, the angle between the chord and then the tangent. Alright, so those are the dynamics we can have. So let's find this angle, and then when we get this angle, then it's the same as this angle. Because we are saying that this QR is the same as PR. But it happens that way because this line is the same as this line. Then this angle is the same as this angle. The base angle are the same, okay? Because this line is the same as this line. So it makes these two angles to be the same. Alright. So we can say that angle RQP is the same as angle RPQ, and let's represent by X. Okay, RQP is the same as RPQ. So if here is X, here is also what? X. These two angles are the same. And then the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is what? Is 180 degrees. So S plus 50 will give me 180. Okay, therefore from triangle PQR, from this triangle I can say that, okay, the X plus the 50 degrees, alright, is equal to what? 180 degrees. Because already I have said these two angles is equal to X. Then I can say S plus 50 is 180. Okay? Then what can I say? 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. S plus S. So what is 180 minus 50? That is 130. And what will be x? 130 divided by 2 will give me what? Will give me 65. So my x is 65. So here is 65, and 65 plus 65 we go to 130. 130 plus 50 will give me 180. Alright. So this angle here is 65 degrees. Here is also 65. That is why I say this side is the same as this side. If it happens that way, then the angle here is also at 65. Therefore, you know the angle RPS is the same as angle RQP, which is what? 65 degrees. It implies that our angle RPS is automatically 65. So our angle RPS is 65. So here is 65. And you see what I was telling you? 65 plus 65 is what? Is 130. And if this angle is the same as this angle, 130 plus 50 will give me what? 180 angle on a straight line. Sum up to 180. Then let's go to the next question. We are done with the RPS. PSR. PSR. This angle. Okay. PSR. Alright. So what we should know that this line PR is parallel to what? It's parallel to SZ. Then if that happens, this line are parallel. So this angle here will correspond to this angle here. Is that okay? The angle here is the same as the angle here because this line bisects this two. This line bisects what? Bisect angle RSY as it as RSY. Okay, so if here is 65, but this line is parallel to this line, then what is it will correspond with this particular side here. So the B, or you can say that since PR is parallel to what? XZ, then it implies that angle ZXY is also the same as angle RPS, which is 65 degrees. Alright, so this angle is parallel to this one, so it means that this side and this side will correspond. So here will be 65. Alright, if that is the case, that place is 65, then what can we say? We say this line bisect this angle, so it means that this angle will be the same as this angle. Alright, and then so we can also say that if XZ bisects angle RSY, so if this line is bisect angle RSY, then it implies that angle RSZ, this angle here is also what? 65 degrees. Because a divide bisect means divide into two equal halves. So it is dividing this angle into two. So if you divide into two equal, then what is here? It will be the same as here. It's like bisecting. Alright, then we can have angle on a straight line. This plus will give me what? Will give me 180 degrees. So I can say that PSR, okay, the same angle PSR, my angle PSR, this angle here is equal to 180 minus this 265 plus the 65. So 180, this is an angle on a straight line. So when I add this to subtract from 180, I'm going to get to this particular angle, the PSR. Alright. Okay, let me end this one here. So to imply angle PSR will be equal to what? 180 minus 65 plus 65 give me 130. And then 180 minus 1 will give me 50 degrees. So this particular angle here is going to be 50 degrees. And then here is also 65. Alright, so it means that this angle PSR is what? Is 50 degrees. So we are left with angle PRS. PRS here. Right, so simple. I know here 65 plus this will give me what? Will give me 180 degrees. So let me make that one here. Okay, so see angle PRS, this particular angle. So we know that we can say that from triangle PRS, it implies that angle PRS plus angle RPS plus angle PSR is equal to what? 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle. So the angle PRS plus what is angle RPS? RPS 65 plus angle PSR PSR, which is 50, is equal to 180 degrees. So angle PRS, okay, plus 65 plus 60 will give me what? Will give me 115. Alright, equal to 180. I have angle PRS to be 180 minus 115. And what is 180 minus 115? That will give me what? 65. Okay, so therefore my angle PR is also 65 degrees. So here, it will be 65. Alright, so that is that with this particular question. I believe you have understood this particular question. I will see you again for more. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.